Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to merge two videos. For video merge I will use ffmpeg's program. I currently have two identical videos in the folder, one is named 1 and the other is named 2. I will merge these videos. Each video is 37 seconds long. I will open command prompt so that I can merge the video by executing the command with ffmpeg. I also have my list.txt file in this folder. The file contains the videos that need to be merged. I have two videos listed, but this list could be longer. You should create the following file and specify the videos you want merged. The file name can be anything, but its name must be specified by executing the following command. Next I will specify the command which will be executed with ffmpeg car command prompt and the video files will be merged. It is a concat command. Specifies a text file that contains a list of files to be merged and specifies the name of the output file. When the command is specified, press enter and the merge process will be started.